Hello guys, welcome back to Bioholic channel. I am your educator Orpita Vishwas and today I am going to start a new chapter, that is cell division. Today I will discuss about the brief introduction about cell division. So let's start. In this chapter, I will discuss through these topics: introduction, types of cell division, cell cycle, amitosis, mitosis, meiosis, and some problems related to cell division. So, what is cell division? Formation of daughter cells from the parent cell is known as cell division. It occurs as a part of cell cycle. Scientist Rudolph first expressed that new cells are generated from the older one. Boveri and Fleming observed cell division first. There are two types of cells. As we know, number one is the prokaryotic and number two is the eukaryotic. Prokaryotes usually undergo a cell division for their reproduction. This cell division is known as the vegetative cell division, whereby each daughter cell is genetically identical to the parent cell. That is the mitosis type. And a reproductive cell division, the eukaryote go through this type of cell division, whereby the number of chromosomes in the daughter cells is reduced by half to produce haploid gamete, which is known as the meiosis. In cell biology, mitosis is a part of cell cycle in which replicated chromosomes are separated into two new nuclei. Cell division gives rise to genetically identical cells, which is the total number of chromosomes is maintained. In general, mitosis is preceded by S stage of interphase, G phase, that is G1 and G2 phase, and G0 phase. Some components stimulate cell division known as the mitogen, like cytokinin and some steroids, and some other resist cell cycle, like colchicine, azide. Those are known as mitotic poison. In case of prokaryotes, their genetic material is segregated equally into two daughter cells, while binary fission may be the means of division by most prokaryotes. There are alternative patterns of division, such as budding, that have been observed, and all cell division, regardless of organism, are preceded by a single round of DNA replication. So, what are the causes of cell division? The causes are minimum growth of body, the surface volume ratio of the cell, the nucleocytoplasmic ratio of cell, some mitogens as I told earlier, and some genetical control, which I will discuss later. So what are the importance of cell division? To form new daughter cells, to make zygote and formation of gamete, growth of body, to maintain the cellular content, and to replace dead, old or damaged cells. Cells also divide so living things can grow. When organisms grow, it isn't because cells are getting larger. Organisms grow because cells are dividing to produce more and more cells. In human bodies, nearly 2 trillion cells divide every day, and also for evolution. There are some cell organelles which helps in cell division. Number one is the nucleus, which have 4 main parts: the nuclear membrane, the chromatin, nucleolus, and nucleoplasm. The chromatin contains chromosome in them which contain DNA, and DNA is the main part of our cell division. Number 2 are microtubule. This helps in formation of BAME in case of cell division. The centriole, it helps formation of BAME fibers in case of animal cell division. The mitochondria, energy to divide a cell came from the mitochondrial organelle. The ribosome, it helps to produce proteins in case of cell division. Now let us go through the types of cell division. As we told earlier, the vegetative cell division for the bacterial cell, that is the amitosis. And for the eukaryotes, there are two types of cell division. One is mitosis, by which growth of body took place. Number two is the meiosis. In this cell division, we can get gamete for reproduction. So, as a whole, we can say that amitosis is the direct cell division where no formation of DNA, no formation of any genetic material or any stage took place. And the other two types of cell division happens through many stages, as the interphase and the mitotic phase. In the interphase, the cell prepares itself for division, and this stage can be divided to many substages. Number 1 is the G1, number 2 is the S, and number 3 is the G2. And the mitotic division consists of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And this cell cycle I will go through later. So that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it. And if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further future notification. And please comment below if you have any queries, or you can send your queries to our Gmail account given in the description box. Thank you. We will meet on next Monday with the other topic of this chapter, the cell cycle.